What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install double slotted kidney grills on your F30X BMW. The M cars come with this style from the factory, but the non-M cars do not, and I think these look much nicer. And the install is very quick and easy. I do have Amazon affiliate links in the description if you're interested in purchasing these. I went with the basic gloss black grills because my car is white and I think the black on white looks super clean. But you can try getting carbon fiber grills or whatever else you like. The kit comes with the left and right kidney grills, and you will also need a T25 and T30 to get behind the OEM kidney grills and remove them. You start by pulling this rubber piece to remove it. From here you use your T25 for the two outside bolts, and then your T30 to get the remaining inside bolts. After that, you pull the bumper out to get access behind the OEM kidney grills. To remove the grill, you press down on these tabs and pull the grill out from the front of the bumper. Do this one tab at a time until they are all loose, and then the grill should just pop out. Here are the single slotted next to the double slotted. I think it's a nice little upgrade. Now you just pop the new ones in, make sure all the tabs are inserted correctly. After that, you push the bumper back in place and start inserting your T25 and T30 bolts back in. And then just reapply the rubber piece. And that's it, guys. Links are in the description. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing if you found this video helpful. And go check out the Instagram.